Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear teachers, judges, and my dear friends, my name is Hana Shafia Nurzikrina, and I'm excited to be here today as a third grade at the Elementary School of Muhammadiyah Profesor Dr. Hamka Marga 3 East Lampung. Today, I want to take you on an exciting journey through some amazing science in the Quran that match what scientists are discovering today. Imagine if you had a book that talk about things people only found out recently. Well, the Quran is just like that. Let's start with something we all take for granted. They are around us. The Quran mentions in Surah Al-Anbiya, and we made the sky as a protective canopy. This verse talks about how the sky acts as a shield. Modern science has shown us that our atmosphere protects us from harmful rays from the sun and space debris. Isn't it amazing that the Quran describes this protective function of the atmosphere so many years ago? Another fascinating area in the Quran is the water cycle. In Surah Az-Zumar, it says, "Have you not seen that Allah sends down water from the sky and the sky?" Send down water from the sky and makes it flow as springs in the earth. This was what scientists now understand about how water cycle through evaporation, rain, and rivers, nourishing life. Next, let's explore how the Quran describes the development of the human embryo. In Surah Al-Mu'minun, it says, "Then we made the sperm drop into a clinging cloth, and we made the cloth into a lamb." This verse describes the stage of human development in the womb. Scientists have studied this stage in detail, and they match the description found in the Quran. This shows how the Quran contains detailed knowledge that was only recently understood. Now, let's talk about the balance of nature. The Quran says in Surah Ar-Rahman, "And the sky he raised high, and he has set the balance." This verse highlights the balance in the universe. Scientists have learned that the balance of ecosystem is crucial for maintaining life on Earth. From the smallest insects to the largest animals, everything plays a part in keeping our world balanced. The Quran's mention of balance is a reminder of this delicate harmony. Lastly, consider the role of mountains. In Surah An-Naba, it is mentioned, "Have we not made the earth as a bed and the mountains as peaks?" Scientists have found that mountains play an important role in stabilizing the Earth's crust. They help to keep the surface of our planet steady. The Quran's reference to mountains as peaks is a great example of how ancient knowledge aligns with modern science. These signs show us that the Quran is not just a book of faith, but also a source of knowledge about the world. It encourages us to explore, learn, and understand more about the wonders of creation. As we dive deeper into science, let's remember that the Quran has long provided clues about the world around us. Thank you for listening, and I hope you inspiration in the Quran amazing insights. May Allah guide us all in our journey of learning and discovery. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.